Hi, so today I'm going to quickly review with you what is inside this child identification safety kit. My name is Marianne and I am the founder of PreparaMom, and here at PreparaMom we're all about helping you and your child be more prepared for the everyday life. And so with this kit, the whole goal behind it is that you having all that information all in one place. And in case something were to happen, and now I hope that you would never have to use this, but somebody as a parent who is the number one concern for their kid is making sure that they're kept safe. Things happen, we know life happens, and as much as we don't want it to happen, it's better to be safe than sorry. So we put this together as a way for you to put all the information together so that if something does happen, you have everything that you need to be able to just hand to the local law enforcement to help them be able to locate your child. And so that's the reason behind this. So let's dive into what is inside. What you will get inside is the record where you will fill out all of your child's information, put a picture of them so they can identify who they are, all their other names and date of birth and all that. We also have a spot here for you to enter in the rest of their information, your information, as well as other identifiable information about your kids, like their birthmarks and all that. And then also some instructions on DNA sample collection, as well as fingerprinting sample collection. So we also have some safety tips here for you as well that you can follow. And what you will do with all of this information is, once you fill it all out, and what you will do is take this little zippy bag here, get the DNA samples, put it inside the Ziploc bag, take everything that you have filled out, and put it back into the Ziploc bag, and just store it in a safe location. And please do not send this to us. We do not want it. This is something that you keep in your house for safekeeping. Okay? All right. That's it. Thank you.